playing with her toys, moving dirt, getting things ready. Grandma Llama working on the farm. Great job. She raises animals, plays with toys. Beautiful life Grandma Llama has. Hi, Grandma Llama! Me and Maggie, we're watching Grandma Llama work. Getting stuff ready for all the animals. Cleaning up all this dirt and manure. All topsoil right here. Good stuff. Gotta be precise. You don't want to get too close to the ground. You gotta make sure everything's nice and level. Making sure she's got space and doesn't hit anything. Nice driving job. Woo, stinky.